Hey there, my friends. This week, we are going to begin diving into planning for the new year because the new year is upon us, and the best way to start off 2021 with a bang is to prepare now for how and why you're going to focus on certain marketing next year. And I'm going to tell you what you should be tracking. Hey there, my friends. This is Kelly Schaefer, the owner and creator of the Concierge Academy, where I help local-based business owners make more money, get more clients, and have a greater impact in the community doing things that they love doing. I am also a mom of four, a wife, and a certified life coach. So when you join me here on the weekly, you are getting so much information that I have learned over the past decade of being in business for myself. And I thank you so much for being here. Okay, so today I want to help you begin to plan for 2021. And one of the best ways that we can plan for 2021 is by looking back and seeing what happened in 2020. Now, of course, we're going to put all the crazy aside, right? 2020 has been a cluster. Am I right? But putting that aside, let's really look at your business and your marketing so that you know how to plan and focus and set goals for 2021. Because what I've learned is most people just set goals that are all willy-nilly like, and they are not actually taking the information that they've learned from their business in this past year and using it to exponentially grow in the next year. So here are the top 5 things that I want you to be tracking. And if you have not done this in the past, I want you to make a commitment today to start doing this. Number 1, you have to be tracking your sales, right? Do you know how many sales you converted this year? Do you know how many new clients you brought on this year? Many people in the beginning, I was the same way. Many people have no clue how many new clients they brought on in 2020, right? So then they start rummaging through all their papers and their QuickBook files to try to find that number out. Create a document where you can easily be tracking these numbers on the weekly, so you will be better prepared next year. How many sales did you make? How many inquiries did you have this past year? Did your inquiries go up? Did your inquiries go down? Because an inquiry doesn't always necessarily mean that you end up with a sale, right? So you want to track your inquiries. Then, where did those inquiries come from? Did they come from a networking group that you're part of? Did they come from a referral? Did they come through your website? Did they come from your neighbor? Did they come from your hairdresser? Where did they come from? Because these are important things to learn, my friend. The next thing you want to be tracking is what is your conversion rate? This is a fancy word for how many people called you who were inquisitive about your services, and then how many of those calls turned into paying clients. So for example, if you had 10 inquiry calls this year and one of those people became a client, that would be a 10% conversion. And in the beginning, our conversion rates will be low, but over time, as you perfect your marketing, your pricing, and your confidence in the way you show up in your business, your conversion rates will go up, okay? The other most important thing is tracking all of your marketing efforts. What were the marketing efforts that you had in place this year, and what were the results of those marketing efforts? And here's an extra bonus ninja thing. When you do something from a marketing perspective and you only do it once, you're going to have much lower results because you're not giving that marketing effort a chance to work. So let me give you an example. You signed up to go to a networking event. You went to this networking event. You didn't get any clients from it, and you will claim that that networking event, quote unquote, doesn't work. The problem here, my friends, is you are not working it. Once is never enough. Okay, my friends. So as you begin to plan for 2021 in your business, I want to make sure, are you tracking the things that are going to exponentially grow your business once you become aware of these numbers? And if you'd like to learn more about how to plan for 2021, join us inside our free Facebook community. It's called Concierge Connections. I'm even going to drop the link below this video so that you can join us, because I have a 3-part series that we've been running on how to plan and business plan for 2021, where I have a lot more insights and information to share with you. Until next time, my friends, plan, 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 plan to track, 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 so that you can see your numbers and make decisions from numbers and not from pie in the sky thoughts. Okay, my friends, if this video was helpful for you, 1, click that like button below. 2, subscribe so that you don't miss any upcoming episodes. And 3, make sure you hop in and join us in our Connections group. I hope to see you there. Until next week, my friends, bye for now.